So Matt taught me how to slip trail on pottery, and I want to incorporate that into my soap making. So here I am just making up a really small batch of soap, and I'm just pouring off enough there to do some black trailing on some white soaps. I'm just having a little practice there. So there's my first one. I have sped this up because it's quite a long process, having to keep sucking up that soap into a pipette. It can take like quite a long time, so there's lots of edits in between these takes here. So I moved on to the black. So this one is Rook and Raven, the soap, and these are going to be sold. That we've made a load of soap dishes with the similar designs in slip. So Matt makes slipware, so it's basically a soap to match one of the dishes, and there'll be 3 different coloured dishes and 3 different coloured soaps. So this is the last one, this is the blue one, and this is peppermint and eucalyptus. So see, that mixture was really thickening up towards the end of me doing the blue ones, but I just about got there before it thickened up too much to be able to use it anymore. And here they are finished, and now they're just on the curing rack and they're drying.